Oh my God.
I'm so sorry. So sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Khing.
Sunshine.
Khing. Oh my God.
Sunshine.
Oh my God.
Is this you?
Yes, this is me. Oh my God.
I can't believe it. I've been looking all over for you.
Where have you been?
Of course, you know I traveled. I just got back in like 2 months ago. I've been looking everywhere for you. Oh, Sunshine, I can't believe it. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at you.
You look so handsome.
Baby, you're looking so fine. Oh my God, you have matured so much. I can't believe it's been like what, 4 years now?
Yes, 4 years.
Oh my God. I have gone to your former place where you lived. I have gone to your former place of work. I have tried everything I can to locate you. It's been fruitless.
It's fine. I work here.
You work here?
Yes.
Are you serious?
So
I actually came to have an interview for a supply they need.
Oh, okay, you were. Oh, yes,
Yeah.
Khing Bassey. I heard my boss or something like that. It's true.
Oh my goodness.
So now, are you married?
How can I be married? I just told you that I've been looking all over the place for you. I haven't been able to move on without you. What about you?
Yes, I'm married
Are you serious?
with 2 kids.
Wow. You know what? It's a good thing. I'm happy for you, even though I'm heartbroken.
I'm sorry. You traveled, no calls, nothing, no
Look,
text message.
look,
Like, I waited
it
for you
was-
for like a year and 6 months. No communication.
I understand. It wasn't my fault. Immediately I got abroad. I told you that my brother was inviting me. Do you know that I got there? My brother kicked me out in less than 2 months. I'm telling you, he refused. I don't know why he just changed all of a sudden. I got into trouble. I couldn't get on my feet. I lost your number. I couldn't communicate with you. In fact, I couldn't even call anyone. But you were on my mind every single day. I was thinking about you, and I was like just thinking like, what would my baby be thinking right now? Like I abandoned her.
It's fine. I'm happy you are back to your feet now. Looking at you look rich.
Yeah, well, I'm managing. Like I said, I got back in 2 months ago. I'm supposed to be doing a contract with your boss. Everything's going well.
It's fine. I'm happy to see you. Seeing that you're looking healthy, you look neat, you look as usual, more handsome.
Thank you.
It's a nice color, but it's fine. I have to rush. I'm going somewhere now.
Where are you going to?
Home. My husband is with me.
Okay, where's your car?
I didn't come with my car.
Oh, okay. I'm parked right here.
Okay then.
Can I drop you at home?
It's fine.
If you don't mind.
It's fine. I don't mind.
Okay, so we'll catch up.
All right.
We'll chat.
Excuse
Do you still
me.
need this?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Wow, sunshine. So this is it.
Yes, this is my house. Thank you for bringing me home.
Wow, it's nice.
Thank you. It was so nice spending time with you. Thank you so much.
It's really, really sad that you're no longer available. You're a married woman now with kids. But it's fine. I'm happy for you. I'm glad that you've moved on and everything is going fine with you. I hope we can still be friends.
Why not? We are friends. That you're my ex doesn't make you my enemy, right?
Right. All right. I'll see you some other time.
Can I hug you?
All right. Sure. Take care.
Take care of yourself.
I'll see you some other time.
All right. See you.
See you.
Take care. Babe.
Babe, what? What is the meaning of that?
Meaning of what?
Who is that guy you were hugging?
He's my friend.
Your friend?
He's my friend.
I don't understand. Your friend that brought you back home, and I saw the way you were kissing and hugging him.
Kissing. Babe, I only gave him a hug.
You shut up. Do you think I'm blind?
Babe, why are you being so dramatic? I ran into an ex. Am I not supposed to greet him? I don't understand. Why is your face like this?
Asking me. Like I don't know what I saw. I saw that man hugging you, and you even kissed him.
Can you just stop? Please, I'm tired. I want to rest.
Oh,
What
you want
is all
to rest?
this?
You want to rest?
What
fine.
did you see?
What did I see?
That I greeted someone.
It is fine. No problem. Go and rest. But I promise you, you will not like what will happen next.
Look at you.
Baby.
Look at how handsome you look.
My
I
love.
really missed you.
Yes, good.
Babe,
What?
who is she?
She. Sorry. This is a long time friend of mine. My ex-girlfriend.
Can you take those hands off my husband? Are you mad? Who is this woman? And why is she acting this way?
Baby, relax. It's okay. Listen, my dear wife. I'm a little bit tipsy. See, let me tell you something. As you can see, where I went to take some drinks, I met my longtime ex-girlfriend.
Yes.
And we reconnected.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
We used to be very good friends those days. This girl, she knows how to make me laugh.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm already laughing.
So you met your whosoever that you met anywhere that you went to, and you carried her home to do what in my house?
What are you saying?
What am I not saying?
Did you not bring back your own ex here? Did you not carry a man and was caressing and kissing the man in front of our house?
So because
what? Is my own now a drama or a crime? I am following your footsteps. Listen, you had better learn how to take care of this, because this is what you'll be seeing from now. My exes will now be visiting me.
You are just blabbing.
I am
Because
blabbing.
you see this girl, she will not cross here.
My love, give me a hug.
Stop that nonsense. Don't do that in my presence. What is your problem?
Madam,
What is wrong with you? Hey, just hold it there. Hold it there.
You taught me how to do this. Why are you now flying up? You better calm down.
I don't like this your attitude. Whatever that is happening here now, it's okay. If this is a joke, you better stop it. What is this now? So your husband cannot reconnect with his ex or what? He has no right to reconnect with anybody.
Let me tell you something. As a matter of fact, she is here to stay. And she's going nowhere. Take it or you leave it. Let's go inside.
Hey, you people are not going anywhere. You people are not going anywhere. And who are you to stop us? Who are you to stop us?
Don't block my way.
Please, just get out. Let's go inside. Let's stop. You know I respect you. Please don't do this.
Get out of my way.
I'll push you. I'll push both of you.
Don't block me again. Don't block me again. Do not say I did not tell you.
Just shift this woman. Let's go inside. Let me.
Yes. Let's get it together.
Babe. Hey. No. Am I dreaming? Is this a movie or what? No. Babe.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.